This is the fourth video in the series on recovering from economic abuse, and I will talk about rebuilding credit. Damaged credit is one of the most common barriers that survivors face, but this is fixable. If an abuser destroyed your credit, then you could take the following steps to repair that. First, request your free credit reports from each of the bureaus, Equifax, Experian, TransUnion. And remember that each year you get one free credit report. Second, review every line of for errors and fraud, especially accounts you didn't open or were coerced into. So coerced debt is a real problem, and many survivors qualify for identity theft protection. You can call your credit card company to ask what options they might have. Sometimes they do have options for survivors. Three, if you find fraudulent accounts, dispute them in writing to the credit bureaus, to the lenders, to credit card companies, to whoever you think might be helpful for you. Four, make a plan for legitimate debt, starting with the essentials. Finally, start rebuilding your credit score. Payment on time is a big factor in credit score, so consistent on-time payments, even if they're small, that's what does the heavy lifting. You might also consider consolidating all debt into one and then paying to that account. If it's safe, a secured credit card or credit builder loan can restart your history. This could take time, so please be patient with yourself. It's consistency that's important. That's what takes you closer to your goal. If this is useful information for you, please consider saving this and following me. My final video is coming up next, so stay tuned.